I was so excited about this because I gotta tell you, I have so much temptation. I love it. I only bake in my temptation. You saw on my Facebook page when I baked that prime rib yesterday, it was in my temptations. Well, I had made brownies in one of my temptations, and my naughty dog, I have a good one and a naughty one. But anyway, the naughty dog got up on the counter and pulled it off the counter. He wanted to eat the brownies. Luckily, he didn't, because I know chocolate's not good, and we all heard the crash. So anyway, so the whole thing is I've been waiting to be able to get a 9x13 baker from Temp-tations with the lid, and now we've got them. All that being said, $26.40 or 5 payments of $5.28. If you've never had Temp-tations, this is going to be your #1 dish, especially now, from now through the holidays, and really, I say all year round. And if you have a bunch, but you need to replenish some or you need some more, do it tonight. Okay, 1,500 already ordered today. Let's start down here with the colors. And Tara, honey, I could kiss you. I was so glad you did this. I know it's silly, but it's true. Okay,
no,
so
not at all.
Here is the gray in the floral lace.
Right.
This is the
right.
red.
No brown beading, Mary Beth. I just wanted to comment on that real quick. So there's your tonal beading.
Okay. And so it's the gray, the red, the green, and the cobalt blue, I believe.
Yes.
Or is that the eggplant? That's eggplant. It's hard because, yeah.
I can't see from here.
Yeah, it's eggplant. Here's the cobalt blue. And then we have the black under that. And then the gray. Oh, you know what? This was the taupe. I called it gray, and it's taupe. So you'll be able to know. But you can see it's taupe inside. Okay, let's go to the woodland. Those are all done in the floral lace. Here's the 3 woodland, the gray, the taupe, and the white. And we had that in that turntable, the Lazy Susan set. We also have...
And that has that carved pattern in the side of it there, if you've never seen it before.
Beautiful. Here's the polka dot. We have gray or taupe. And that is the most limited. And then this is the old world pattern. I'll go through the colors. We have black, red, cranberry, and green. If you want the green, 150 remain. Then this is the one I'm gonna buy after the show because that's my pattern, the blue on my color. This is the eggplant. Hey, by the way, you can finally now see the blue versus the eggplant a little bit better. And then down here, confetti with all the colors. And then right here, look at that one. That is the gray. Okay, actually that looks more taupe.
That's our taupe.
Yeah,
Correct.
that's the taupe. It's a little harder, but anyway. Oh, okay. So anyway, and then you get the lid, which pops on. So no matter if you've made lasagna or brownies, you can stack things on and etc. Okay, I want you to go back to basics, Tara. Why, if all we ever cooked in or baked in was glass or metal, why should we switch to this?
Well, a couple of things. First and foremost, this is America's favorite baker. It's the single most requested, most used baking dish in the kitchen because it's your 13x9. It's what your lasagna calls for. It's what your cake mixes, your brownies, which is what you were making that your naughty dog knocked off the counter. And what I love about our stoneware, right, as opposed to glass, is that it's metal utensil safe first and foremost. So you can take that KitchenAid hand mixer and mix that cake right inside here. You then can take this exact same baker, put it in the oven up to 500 degrees. I don't recommend that in the cake because that'll burn it, but it can go under the broiler. Then you bring it out, Mary Beth, and when you bring it out, you can actually slice right inside here, and you can serve from right inside here. So when we talk about the 18 years that we've been sharing this amazing brand with all of you, and over 20 million sets shared, this is the go-to baker that everybody wants. Because again, it is the go-to in your kitchen for all of those great recipes. And the fact that when you come out from the oven and you have that beautiful baked cake, you can put it right on your counter saver that's coming up. And when that baker is nice and hot, your table is protected. You have the snap-on storage cover that comes with it. So when you snap that on, you then can put your leftovers back in the fridge. I think we are really cognizant of our leftovers, and we want to make them fresh and new every day. The fact that you could then take it back out, reheat it back in your oven, and have another meal, this is truly at the heart of it, that one dish cooking. And we don't have any more coming in for the year. So if you've loved Woodland and you picked up our today's special value, don't wait on that or any of the other colors, because this is incredible.
And
Beautiful
by the way,
baker.
the price goes up at the end of the day. The easy pay
I
goes
didn't
away
know
at
that.
the end of the day. Yeah. So I'm telling you, and this one to me is the one you can never have too many. Like if you had two or you had three of them, because one might be doing this, you know, and you've got your meatballs and maybe you're making ziti or whatever, or here's your lasagna, etc. Well, then what if you wanted to do veggies in one? I love to do squash, and it's long enough to, if you cut your butternut squash in half, you can do that. You can make your tenderloins in here, but I want to make a cake, or I want to make brownies, or I want to make dessert. So I'm just saying, if you need more of these, get them now. If you've never had one, this is where you start. Let me quickly give you the least amount that we have is in the polka dot taupe or gray, okay? I'll go right down there to right below that. That's the Woodland set down there, and that's white or taupe or gray. If you want the white, fewer than 500 remain. Here is the floral lace pattern. You know, don't forget, these are hand painted. That one right there is the gray. Here it is in the black, the cobalt blue. This one is the taupe right there. Oh, it's gone. That's sold out. Here's red. Red's limited. 250 remain. There's the green. Here's the eggplant purple. And then we'll come up to Old World. And yeah, here's the Old World. I just want to take that cover off. This is the Old World in the taupe, I believe. That's gone. Oh, that's gone. So both taupes are gone. Then we have the blue, the 250 remain. Save me a couple. There's the eggplant. Here's the confetti with all the colors. And then we have black, 8 dozen left. The red, 7 dozen left. The cranberry, 8 dozen. And then the green, 3 dozen remain. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad you did this, Tara, because I needed it so badly. And 3,000 already ordered in this show alone. So the price goes up at the end of the day. So don't forget about that. Okay, that cake looks good too, I gotta tell you. That cake looks amazing. All righty.